some cool stuff back there. Cast member, one of the community members, I think it was Natalie, former cast member. I was like, you know about that? I was like, know about what? Like, I didn't know about the kangaroo. Get ready to do some Assassin's Creed moves there, it looks like. This is great. You're gonna get in the picture and shut the camera down. Oh my goodness. They're talking. It's almost like they're looking at something. Hi, friends. This is great. Guys, thank you so much for this. Appreciate all of you and entertainment. Let me talk. Let me talk. Let me talk. No, you talk. No, you talk. This is so much fun. So thankful to be here for you guys. Wish you guys could see the smile on my face right now. This is incredible. There's like a secondary sound. Listen. Like a... Consider bellies before that sound. Like a water drop. Movie right here. These guys right now. I can't walk away. Something's changed. Hello friends, welcome into our Gibbons. I think they're Gibbons. I had a little coffee talk this morning. They're having their own coffee talk this morning, Gibbon talk. You're watching Disney the Show on your host John Well. Appreciate you. What? He's like, that's it. I've been here every day for the last 2 weeks practically, and first time I've seen something like this. Sure, it's kind of frequent. After this last one, I think we'll move on. Because I missed our lying thing. Here we go. Okay.